Welcome back in another video update. I'm Claudio Micheli, Product Manager at Auterion, and today we're going to be covering 3 brand new features that are a game changer to keep your operation running smoothly and efficiently. These new features are designed to help you stay ahead of the curve when it comes to software updates, ensuring you're always running the latest, most secure, feature-rich release version, service bulletins, such that you never miss critical notifications that could affect your compliance or operations, and lastly, unscheduled maintenance issues, a tool to help you track and report proactively problems that you had during your operations. Let's dive right in and explore how those features can make the difference in your operations. If you are an OEM with access to the manufacturing tools in the Auterion Suite, you can now create software releases that are going to be notified directly in Auterion Mission Control to your users. So if we now navigate to the manufacturer section of your company, you can navigate under software products. And in this case, I already created an Auterion OS distribution for my vehicle. But one thing you need to make sure when creating a software product, you need to check that the sharing options are set to anyone with the link. This will guarantee that everyone, also like users that are not registered into the Auterion Suite, can directly receive software updates by using Auterion Mission Control. Now that we know that our software product is correctly set up, we can go ahead and create a new software release. So for this, in this case, I will just click on Create Release. And for my customers, I will want to release a new version, which is v358. I will select the label that tells the user that this is the latest recommended release that they should flash. And now I will select the binary that will be then released. You can specify release notes, and also a new field that we recently added is the supported until. In this case, I'm going to recommend my users that they need to update by end of February 2025. And then you need also to click this Make Release Available for Install. This will publish the release and allow your customers to see and install the update that we just created. Once the release has been published in the Auterion Suite, end users will now receive a software notification on their ground control station running Auterion Mission Control. Let's have a look how this looks from an end user standpoint. When you open AMC on your ground control station, and if the tablet or your laptop is connected to the internet, you will automatically receive a notification that will notify you about the newly software release. Otherwise, you can always go and check the software updates by navigating on the Quick Vehicle menu, clicking More, and then you will find a new tab that is called Software Updates. As you can see here, I have a new software update of Auterion OS that is the 358, which is the one that we just published in the Auterion Suite. If you now want to proceed to install the software update, you can, in this case, connect directly my laptop to your vehicle and proceed with downloading and installing directly the update without the need of opening the local web page as you would have done in the past. Knowing when a safety critical service bulletin has been issued by the OEM is another fundamental aspect for conducting safe UAV operations. Thanks to these newly added service bulletin features, pilot can now be always up to date directly from their ground control station running Auterion Mission Control and receive and read all the service bulletins issued by the OEM. To create a service bulletin, we can simply navigate to the service bulletin page under the manufacturer tools and click New Bulletin. From here, for example, we're going to create a bulletin to replace propellers, and you can see you specify the vehicle model that is affected, and you also have the option to, for example, specify vehicle serial number in case the service bulletin is tailored for a specific group of vehicles that you currently have deployed or sold. You can add the description. In this case, I will just add a quick one. So once we're ready with the description, we can simply do create, and this will create it as a draft, such that you can see how end users would see the service bulletin. And then once you're ready to deploy this one to all the vehicles affected, you can simply click publish. Now that the service bulletin has been published, let's have a look how the end user would receive the notification on the ground station running Auterion Mission Control. You can check out all the issued service bulletins for your vehicle by simply navigating to the Quick Vehicle menu and then go to More and Service Bulletins. As you can see, in this case, I already have 2 unread bulletins that has been released by the OEM. And you can see here has been updated today, and those are the service bulletins that have been deployed for my specific vehicle model. So you can see this one is a previous one that has been issued, and you have the option to set it, mark it as read, such that the pop-up will not show again the next time you're gonna open Auterion Mission Control. And as you can see down below here, we have the replace propeller bulletins that we just issued a few minutes ago. The final feature we're covering for today builds on top of the maintenance tracking tools we also covered in a previous video. If you're interested in knowing more how the Auterion Suite can help you tracking periodic maintenance, check out the link in the description. With the latest feature that we just recently added, you can now track issues that arise during operations that require some further maintenance or inspection of your vehicle. These reports can be made from the suite or directly from Auterion Mission Control, allowing your pilots to promptly report a problem as soon as it happens. These problems can be unpredictable and disruptive, but thanks to this new feature, you will have a centralized view of all the problems that your pilots have reported. This also means faster resolution times, better informed decision, and lastly, minimize downtime for your fleet. Let's have a look first how you can report an issue directly from Auterion Mission Control. To create an issue, you can simply open the Quick menu, navigate under the Cloud section, and press, as you see here, the newly added Report Maintenance Issue section. From here, you're able to fill in the information. For example, we can say I had a problem landing, and add some notes. I tip it over, and I can submit it. This will now send this request up to our Auterion Suite, and you will be able to track these issues directly from the suite. Let's have a look how this looks from the suite side. We'll now navigate under the Fleet Management, and we will look for the vehicle that got the problem. So in this case, this vehicle here, and you'll be able to go under the Maintenance tab, and as you can see, I have the Unscheduled tab with a new notification. By clicking here, I can see the details, when was reported, the description, and I can also, for example, now complete the task. Let's assume I need to replace a propeller. I can just say, okay, I replaced the propeller. And then, by clicking complete, I'm able to resolve this problem, which will be then tracked into the history. You can also report a problem directly from the Auterion Suite, and to do that, you can simply click on the New Task under the Maintenance page, and you will have the same prompt and type of information that we made available from Auterion Mission Control. This concludes the overview of these new features that are now live into the Auterion Suite. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer success team. Thank you for watching, and see you next time!